What really matters when you're choosing where to study? For most of us, it's not about the classroom. It's about the people, the opportunities, and the environment that help us to grow. Amity University Noida was founded in the year 2005. It is not so old, but the knowledge it delivers and the hold in the education industry is remarkable. It offers almost every sort of degree and the program, and can be great choice for bachelor as well as masters. Today I will introduce a prestigious program from Amity University, the Online MBA, and it is India's only online MBA that is ranked by QS. QS rankings are annual rankings of university all across the world. These rankings evaluate institutions based on factors like academic and employer reputation, research citation, faculty to student ratio, and international faculty. Apart from QS ranking, it is ranked by other institutions as well. So let's begin. First, let's talk about the eligibility. Students must have a bachelor degree in any discipline with aggregate of 40% in the last qualifying degree. And if you do not have 40%, then there will be a test conducted by the university. If passed, you are eligible. To help you prepare for the test, let us know via WhatsApp. Link is mentioned in the description box. For enrollment, it is a 5-step process that includes program selection, application completion, paying fee, and waiting for confirmation. The program is divided in 2 years and 4 semesters. It covers core MBA subjects including economics, statistics, marketing, law, finance, accounting, and many others, just like a traditional MBA. The full course fee is Rs 1,99,000 or Rs 49,750 per semester, and there are 4 methods by which a student can pay the fee. That include semester wise, annually, one-time payment, and EMI option. There are discounts available on each method. To know more about the discounts and how you can avail them, drop us a message on WhatsApp by using the link in the description box. What makes this program stand out? Number 1, you get to do live industry projects and gain practical knowledge with internship opportunities. Number 2, you do not need to do assignments in traditional way. They have made it interesting by including game sort of things. Number 3, you get an AI assistant to guide you through. Number 4, an interactive app to make your study seamless. Amity offers 18 plus in-demand specialization including marketing, finance, HR, operation, international business, and business analytics. It provides students with a vast variety of choices to choose between so that students do not feel left out in any core MBA subjects. To know more about this specialization or which one would be best for you, message us on WhatsApp by using the link from the description box. So that was all about an online MBA from Amity University. If you still have doubts regarding anything, you can drop a comment. If you need admission assistance, then message us on WhatsApp by using the link from the description box, and our mentor will make the process seamless for you. Suggest a topic on which you want our next video to be on in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Have a lovely day.